working remotely with most of the startups for the last few months, it's been a real pleasure to be here in Zurich at the Global Innovation Center at Givaudan with 14 of our startups. We've had pictures, we've had tour, we've had amazing presentations from the Givaudan team. We're always delighted to connect with our investors and LPs and to create some beautiful partnerships between our startups and their needs.
It's amazing, to have that discussion, to see how they are going beyond, what all people from the industry, they were not even imagining that these things would be possible. So it's great, and we hope to have more and more of these events in the future.
It's so important for us to be able to work together with all of these new startups coming up with fantastic ideas, fantastic solutions to solve this problem of trying to feed 10 billion people sustainably by 2050. And we as corporates can learn a lot from startups, and we also see that startups can learn a lot from us.
So the collaboration with Givaudan Ventures is unique. It brings us a stream of pre-qualified startups, which is aligned with our goals, but also what the industry is looking for. And collaborating with such a bright set of brains as we have is absolutely delightful.
Well, it has been a super great experience, really intensive, and the great thing that, for example, in our experience is that Big Idea has helped us to build these great relationships with the industry.
Big Idea Ventures is different from some of the other accelerators in that it's small and intimate, and we've had brilliant support along the way.